Hey everyone, welcome to this quick guide on how to withdraw money from Bank of America to Remitly in 2025. If you're sending money abroad or managing international transfers, this step-by-step process will make it straightforward and hassle-free. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you have active accounts with both Bank of America and Remitly. If you don't have a Remitly account yet, download their app or visit their website to sign up. It's free and takes just a few minutes. Step 1. Log into your Bank of America online banking portal or mobile app using your credentials. Head over to the Transfers or Payments section to get started. Step 2. Select the option to add an external account. You'll need to enter Remitly's details, which might include your Remitly wallet information. Bank of America may require verification, like a small test deposit, so be patient during this step. Step 3. Once the accounts are linked, choose the amount you want to transfer. Double-check for any fees. Bank of America might charge for outgoing transfers, and Remitly could have its own rates, especially in 2025 when policies might have updated. Step 4. Confirm the transfer in your Bank of America account. The funds should appear in your Remitly account shortly, depending on processing times, which could be instant or take a day. Step 5. Now, switch to the Remitly app or website. Log in and select the option to send money. Use the transferred funds from your Bank of America account to choose a recipient, enter the amount, and complete the remittance. Finally, always review exchange rates and any 2025 specific changes, like new security features, to ensure you're getting the best deal. That's it. You've successfully withdrawn and sent your money. If this helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more finance tips. Thanks for watching.